Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I want to share about order to delivery step by step. Most customers don't think much about what happened between the time they place an order and when the products or service get delivered. But for supply chain folks, what happened in the middle matter a lot. Collectively, these processes make up the order to delivery cycle. And that cycle can be very different depending on the type of products or service that we are talking about. So let's take a look at some of the high-end steps and the kind of order to deliver cycle you are likely to see. Let's begin. First of all, there are three main approaches to order to delivery: make to stock, make to order, and engineer to order. Make to stock means that you forecast that you think your customer will want, and then you make it and store it in your inventory, hoping that they will buy it. Make to order means that you wait until you have received an order to making a product. Customer might have to wait longer to get their products, but you don't need as much as inventory on hand. The third order is engineer to order. This means you actually design each product to meet your customer's exact needs. Engineer to order gives customers the most flexibilities to customize a product, but it also takes the most time. And with engineer to order, there's generally a higher cost because of the engineering and design work required for each product. So when you're designing the supply chains for a product, you have to make a decision about which order to delivery approach you want to use. And the two things that often end up being the most important are cost and lead time. Let's say that it takes 30 days for you to order all of the parts and assemble your products. That means you have a 30 days lead time. What happens if your customer need to receive products within 10 days of placing an order? They need it faster, then you can order the parts and make the products. In that case, you need to use a make-to-stock approach. And that means you need to spend money maintaining inventory in order to meet your customer need. But if your customer can wait 30 days, then you can use make-to-order and you don't need to hold inventory. Now, a clever way to reduce lead time is with a technique called postponement. That means you start work on a product that has a long lead time, but you wait until you have a customer order to do a final assembly. In other words, you have inventory of partially finished products that you can quickly finish up and deliver to a customer. So, postponement is basically a hybrid of the make-to-stock and the make-to-order approaches. When you look around at the products and services you buy every day, you will start to see lots of examples of make-to-stock, make-to-order, and engineer-to-order. Understanding these different order to delivery approaches can help you to incorporate your customer needs into your supply chain strategy. And that also helps you to maximize your value, create two effective supply chain management. That's the end of my sharing in today's video. Once again, my name is Vivienne. I am the business software coach. If you want to watch more detailed videos, please subscribe to my channels and click the notifications button so you can notify when my video is available. I appreciate you guys here today. Have a nice day and I see you in my next video.